this video, I'll show you how to create a website using Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and search for website in the search bar. You'll see many pre-designed templates. Find a multi-page template that fits your needs and click to open it. Then click Customize this template to begin editing. Next, personalize the template to match your requirements. Double-click text boxes to edit the content with your own text. Drag and drop your own images to replace images in the template. Change the background color by selecting a new color. Then click Change All to keep the design consistent across all pages. And that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.